Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So in this video review, I want to talk about XRP, a Ripple to USD pair. Today is July 17th. It's about 8:15 a.m. Eastern here in US. I want to bring you an update for Ripple. This is one of the coin that we have covered on this channel for a while and repeatedly, followed throughout the inception of the channel. So I want to bring you an update for that. Okay, so before I get it started, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit those notification and the bell icon so you can get this content right away. And if you're new to the channel, if you're new to the crypto, please make sure you spread the word, inform your friends and family, tell them all the pros and cons about investing in the crypto market. Tell them like all the good stuff, all the bad, whatever you think, your perspective of the crypto market, even of the channel that you're Phantom.Strategies. So please do spread the word. That's how we grow as a community, and it's very important to spread the word. Otherwise, the currency that we are all trying to this virtual currency that we are going after, it won't mean anything if the wider audience are not getting the knowledge about it, or not even knowing what it is all about. So it's very important that we spread the word. Okay, so Ripple right now is trading at 47 cents. So in the previous video I was talking about this falling wedge pattern, that I was saying that there is a chance that we could get out of this pattern. There's a significant support level at around 44 cents. We tested that support back in April. We tested the support in late June, and again we breached that support level, but we quickly came over that support level of 44 cents, 45 cents, and now we are well over that. Right now we are at around 47 cents. Now the reason I'm saying that support level is a significant support level is because it has been tested few times. When there is a support level that get tested few times, that usually tells you there are enough buyers that are coming into that into the market, into Ripple at that price point. So the buyers are seeing the value at 45 cents in Ripple, and they're willing to buy Ripple at around that price. Okay, so that's what creates those support levels, and we want to make sure that we're staying over those support levels, and making sure that the price level is not breaching those support, especially for intermediate right now. So yesterday, if you see this, yesterday we got over this upper resistance trend, and we got over that the 11-day and the 20-day moving average. So right now, if I zoom in, I'm looking at the daily chart by the way. Let me zoom in. Okay, so right now we are sitting right over that 11-day and 20-day moving average. It will be quite bullish if we can stay over that moving average, and perhaps we are seeing a little bit consolidation right now, a pullback if you will, and see if we can have some second round of push in the afternoon or later in the day. That will take us through around about 50 cents. That will be the intermediate resistance, and then my first target level for Ripple will be around that 50-day moving average, which is around 53 cents. Okay, so that will be the first target level for Ripple. There is a nice double bottom that I'm seeing in Ripple here. So the risk to reward is good. If you are getting into the Ripple, or if you're starting a new position in Ripple, make sure you put your stop losses. The idle position for the stop losses will be somewhere underneath this moving averages, in my opinion. So perhaps around 45 cents would be a good stop loss for Ripple if you're getting into a position, or even if you're adding on to a position. Alright, so I'm gonna repeat myself. Around 45 cents will be a good stop loss in Ripple. I'm seeing this double bottom pattern as well, so it seems pretty, I mean, it's a good coin, and it seems like, you know, the risk to reward is quite decent. So let's say if we are drawing, let's say if we're taking a long position at the current price point, okay, and I'm keeping my stop loss right at around 45 cents. Yeah, there you go. So so it's about 3% from current price point, and my target is around the first target will be around that 53 cents. All right, so that's about 12-13% move from the current price point. That will be the first target point. Okay, now when we have reached that first target point, we do want to reevaluate how the coin is trading, how is the overall market looking, is it healthier if the volume is coming into the market, or are we just going up on the lower volume? So we have to reevaluate the position when we get to that first target point. Obviously the second, you know, the target will be around that 62-63 cents, but again we have to reevaluate the position right around that junction once we reach that first target. Okay, so again, you can do this kind of scenarios with other coins as well. I'm going to take this out, but basically what I'm trying to, like, you know, teach you right now, or like at least, you know, show you right now is making sure that you don't overdo yourself. Same concept applies on the downtrend, and same concept applies on the uptrend. Make sure you're not, like, you know, when we're in the downtrend, you don't just like simply give up, and when we're in the uptrend, make sure you simply don't, you know, sing hallelujah and say everything is gonna be nice and rosy again. So have that realistic expectation, have the, you know, make sure that you're not you're trading on probabilities. The main thing is you're trading on probabilities, not on just something what you heard, or like, you know, or what you might think happened. Okay, just let's go to the smaller time frame real quick. Alright, so this is the pop that I was telling you about. We had it yesterday, and like we got out of the resistance, and now it's doing a little consolidation with the market, but again it's quite expected. So let's see if we can hold on to it and can push it through throughout that previous high, which is around 48 cents. So if we can clear 48 cents today, then we can definitely make the room toward 52 cents within 24 to 48 hours. Okay, I do expect overall market volume to come in. We are coming, you know, toward the end of July, and historically speaking, a lot of the volume, a lot of the traders usually do tend to come into the market around this time frame. So I won't be surprised if the volume comes into a lot of volume comes into the market, especially later into July, August, and we will see some momentum on the upside. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's cover Bitcoin real quick. I made a video on Bitcoin yesterday. Again, we are seeing some retracement. I was talking about that 50-day moving average. Go refer back to the video library. You will see the video I made yesterday. That 50-day moving average is acting as a resistance for right now. But we can definitely break through that resistance. We are in the resistance zone right now. I have mentioned this red box right here. That's a resistance zone. Okay, so if we can clear that resistance zone, that will be bullish, but we would like to clear that with a good amount of volume. All right, so keep that in mind. Again, we are not out of the bushes yet. Okay, I want to reiterate that we are not out of the bushes. We want to make sure that, you know, we are using our risk management techniques, and making sure if you're getting into a new position, you are, like, you know, looking at the risk to reward ratios and all those good stuff. Okay, that's all for today. I will try to make some videos in the afternoon if I have some time, and we'll go and we'll bring you some more coins. All right, talk to you soon.